In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OnePay card in a store. So, using a OnePay card in a store is simple. Once you know how it works, whether it's a grocery shop, a clothing store, or a gas station, your OnePay card functions like a regular debit or prepaid card. So, step 1 is checking the card activation. Before heading out, make sure that your OnePay card is activated. You can confirm this by opening the OnePay application, selecting your card, and checking the status. If it says active, you are ready to go. If not, complete the quick activation steps within the app. Step 2 is confirming available balance. So always check your balance before making any purchase. Open the OnePay application and view your card balance from the dashboard. If you're using a prepaid OnePay card, ensure there's enough money loaded to cover your purchase, including taxes or additional fee. Now, step 3 is locating stores that accept your card. So OnePay cards are typically powered by major payment networks like Visa and MasterCard. So they work at most retail stores. Just look for Visa or MasterCard logo on the payment terminal. If it's visible, your OnePay card will work without any issues. Now, at checkout, choose your preferred payment method. If the terminal supports contactless payments, simply tap your OnePay card on the reader. Otherwise, insert the chip or swipe the magnetic strip. Once the terminal recognizes your card, you will see a prompt to proceed. Depending on your card type, you may be asked to select credit or debit. Choose debit if your card requires a PIN. Then enter your 4-digit code. For credit type OnePay cards, just select credit and sign if prompted. No PIN needed. After entering your PIN or signature, wait a few seconds while the terminal processes the transaction. Once approved, you will get confirmation message, and that's it. Using a OnePay card in a store is quick, secure, and no different from using any other debit card. If you found this card helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.